Hi students, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about hybridization part 3. All of you first you have to watch hybridization part 1 and part 2. After that it is very easy to understand. Why I am making hybridization this many part 1, part 2, part 3 means this concept is very important, my dear students. So definitely 90 to 95% from this concept questions are appearing for different company examinations. So that's why I gave away excellent trick in first part and some examples on different molecules. I gave the second part, but some more molecules are there. These are typical examples. So that part also have to complete. Then all molecules from different state conducting previous year examination questions also I'm giving to you. So that's why you feel happy. No need to refer any other books or any other videos by watching these three parts of evaluation. You can easily answer it. Or different there is NEET or JEE or MSET or GSET. Okay, fine. Now let us start here. The molecule is phosphate ion, PO4 3 minus. Central atom phosphorus. So what is the trick I gave here? Number of atoms attached to that atom. The phosphorus, how many number of atoms are attached? There is 4. These are bonded atoms. Next, lone pairs of electrons on phosphorus. Okay, so there is lone pairs. Number of valence electrons of phosphorus 5, and it gain 3 electrons. So that we have to add it. That is plus 3. Next, for each oxygen, you have to consider 2 electrons. So 4 are there. So that's why 4 into 2, that is minus 8. Then what will get? 5 plus 3 plus 8 minus 8 is 0. Then that value how to apply? That is 4 plus 0. That is the value is hybridization number 4. Then the molecule in which the central atom undergoes sp3 hybridization, 1s orbital and 3p orbitals. Right. Next one, sulfate ion, SO4 2 minus. Here sulfur central atom, to which how many atoms are bonded? 4, plus lone pairs of electrons are sulfur. Sulfur valence electron 6. Then we gain 2 electrons. That electrons you have to add it here. That is plus 2. And 4 into 2, that is minus 8. Then that is equal to 0. Then 4 plus 0, that is 4. Okay. Then the molecule in which the central atom sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization. Right. Next one, H2O. So here to the oxygen central atom, my dear students, to which 2 hydrogens are bonded atoms are 2. Then oxygen valence electrons are 6, and then it is 2 hydrogens are there, right? Okay. So bonded atoms are 2 are there. That is minus. You have to represent that is minus 2. So then how much you will get here? 4 electrons. 4 electrons means how many pairs? 2 pairs, my dear students. That is 2 lone pairs are there. So that I have to add it. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 means the oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization in water molecule. Right. Next, another example. Take it here. NO2 minus. Yeah, I think this is what did last. Take it here. H2s Hydrogen Sulfide. Here sulfur is central atom. So it have bonded to 2 hydrogens. And sulfur valence electrons are 6. And bonded atoms are 2. That is, will get 4 electrons. That is 2 pairs, 2 lone pairs. That 2 lone pairs are, you have to add it here. That is 4. So that the sulfur also undergoes sp3 hybridization in H2s molecule. Right. Next one. CH3 plus a carbocation, methyl carbocation, in which the carbon undergoes what type of hybridization? For that also, for this also you can use my trick. Right. See, look here. So carbon central atom, bonded atoms are hydrogens 3, then valence lone pairs of electrons. So lone pairs of electrons are carbon. So carbon valency electrons 4, and then it loses 1 electron. That means that is you have to subtract minus 1. Next, the bonded atoms, that is 3 plus 3. Right. Okay. So then there is minus 3. It is also you have to subtract, right? That is. So then 4 minus 1, 3 minus 3 is, that is 0. So that is 3 plus 0. So 3 is bond pairs, 0 is lone pairs. So that's why the hybridization number is 3. So that the carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. Next one, maybe CH3 minus, it is a carbanion. So previously we did this is carbocation, now CH3 minus carbanion. Okay, so here the central atom undergoes what type of radiation? So how many atoms are bonded to the carbon? 3. Then lone pairs how many? There is carbon 4 valence electrons and it gain 1 electron plus 1. Then okay, this electron, okay, this part. And then how many bonded atoms? 3. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2 electrons. So 2 electrons means how many lone pair? That is 1 lone pair, that you have to add it. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 means the carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. So keep in our mind, in the carbocation, carbon undergoes sp2. In carbanion, carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. It is very important previous year questions. Right. Next one, there is Sf2 Sulfur Difluoride. So here the sulfur central atom, bonded atoms are 2 fluorines plus 2. Then lone pairs of electrons on sulfur. There is sulfur valence electrons are 6 and minus bonded atoms are 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4 electrons means 2 lone pairs are there, that you have to add it. Then you will get 2 plus 2, that is 4 means the central atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Next one is Sf4. So here bonded atoms are 4 plus lone pairs on sulfur, that is 6 valence electrons and minus 4, that you will get 2 electrons. 2 electrons means that is 1 lone pair. So 1 lone pair you have to add it here. So bond pairs 4 and lone pair 1. So that is totally 5. 5 means it undergoes sp3 dehybridization. Okay. Next one, Sf6 Sulfur Hexafluoride. It is very important. Sulfur Hexafluoride Sf6. Okay. So here the central atom sulfur, bonded atom is fluorine 6 are there, and valence electrons how many? Lone pairs of electrons. The lone pairs of electrons, how to calculate? Number of valence electrons of central atom sulfur 6. Then minus bonded atoms are 6 fluorines. So 6 minus 6, 0. So 0 lone pairs. So that's why plus 6 plus 0. Then you will get 6. Then the sulfur undergoes sp3 d2 hybridization. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 2 d orbitals, totally 6 hybrid orbitals. Then that is undergoes sp3 d2 hybridization. Right, got it. Next, last 10th one, that is IF7 molecule, iodine heptafluoride, IF7 molecule. Okay, so in this hepta means 7, right? Iodine heptafluoride. So here bonded atoms are 7. Then lone pairs are iodine. So iodine having how many lone pairs? Valence electrons are 7. Bonded atoms are 7. That is 0. So that's why lone pairs are 0. The value is hybridization number value is 7. 7 means it undergoes sp3 d2 sp3 d3 hybridization. sp3 d3 hybridization. Okay, my dear students. Now I am giving some examples as a test. You can write these examples, my dear students. Okay, these are all previous year questions. I minus 3, one example. Okay, and another one is ICl2 minus, then BrCl3 minus, okay, then ClF3 minus, right, then NH4 plus, right, then H2SC, their central atom is sulfur, right. These are all different questions I gave as a test. You just try it. That is ClF3 minus, okay, and it is selenium, that is hydrogen selenide, H2SC, hydrogen selenide, you know, okay, oxygen sulfur selenium, right, okay. So 16 group element method is, right. So these examples you have to try it, my dear students, and by applying this roles, you can easily get it very easily, right? So then thanks for watching my video, my dear students. Okay, so then if you like it, subscribe it, share to your friends and colleagues. Okay, so that will help to motivate me and to do some more videos regarding this. Okay, so thanks. Fine.